Everyone wants to become wealthy and rich, but many do not know how to do it. This small video will teach you these simple lessons, which can add millions of dollars in your kitty. People have spent thousands of dollars in learning these lessons. Watch till the end, where I will share a great tip. Building future wealth and achieving long-term financial security can seem overwhelming, but with the right strategies, it is entirely possible. Here are 5 proven tips to help you invest for the long term. Tip 1. Start early. The power of compounding works in your favor when you invest over a long period of time. Even small amounts can grow significantly if you begin investing early in life. Tip 2. Diversify your investment portfolio. Spreading your investments across different asset classes can help reduce risk. Consider investing in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Tip 3. Stay informed and educated. Keep up with financial news, trends, and market updates. Attend seminars, read books, and seek advice from financial experts to make informed investment decisions. Tip 4. Plan for retirement. Start saving for retirement as early as possible, utilizing retirement accounts like 401s or IRAs. Regularly review your investment plans and make necessary adjustments to ensure a comfortable retirement. Tip 5. Stick to your long-term investment strategy. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Stay focused on your financial goals and have patience during market ups and downs. Now here is the tip I discussed in the beginning. All the above 5 points are very important. But most important point, invest in yourself. I repeat, invest in yourself. In today's fast-changing world, every job runs the risk of being obsolete and redundant. There are numerous opportunities to learn and upgrade oneself. So, there is no excuse for not upgrading your skills. By following these 5 proven strategies, you can build future wealth and ensure long-term financial security. Remember, investing requires discipline and patience. Start now, stay informed, and watch your investments grow over time. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.